I'm now going to continue my video series on elementary mathematics with a second grade Common Core word problem. Here we go. Arlene baked 53 brownies. Buffy baked 28 brownies. How many more brownies did Arlene bake? Okay. Now then, the first thing that they want you to do is they want you to write the name Arlene right here. Then they want you to draw this bar, which we're going to draw a three-dimensional bar. Okay? Then we're going to put a brace underneath that and say that's 53. Then they want you to write the name Buffy right down here, and they want you to draw yet another bar. And this bar will be smaller, and you'll put a brace underneath that and call that 28. Following along so far? Then you're going to put another brace right down here with a question mark because we don't know the size of this bar that isn't there right now. Okay, so the first thing they want you to do after that is they want you to draw a dotted line across here and down here so that we divide this bar up into the part that we do know and the part that we don't know. We know that both Buffy and Arlene baked at least 28 brownies. We know that. We just don't know how many more brownies Arlene made or baked. Okay? Alright, so now they want you to make a number sentence. They have 53 minus 28 equals 25. They call that a number sentence. I don't call it a number sentence, but that's what they call it. Alright, so what is a real number sentence? Ready? When we subtract the subtrahend of 28 from the minuend of 53, we obtain the difference of 25. Let me say that just one more time. When we subtract the subtrahend of 28 from the minuend of 53, we obtain the difference of 25. That's a real number sentence. Okay. If you don't believe me, you can look it up for yourself, or I'll happily show you where you can find information like that. Okay. Now, the way they want you to factor this is where they get that Singapore math. You say, well, did I ever cover that Singapore math? You betcha I did. In the early part of the elementary mathematics videos, I covered Singapore math. So you divide the number into 20 and 8. Well, 53 plus 20, 53 minus 20, 53 minus 20 is 33. Now, if you subtract the 8 more off of that, it's going to be 25. 53 minus 20 is 33, and subtract 8 more off of that, and you get 25. Now then, this problem is not complete until you write out an actual sentence that completes the math problem, because this, after all, is a word problem. So what do they want you to write down? Arlene baked 25 more brownies than Buffy baked. Let me say that again. Arlene baked 25 more brownies than Buffy baked. That's what they want you to say. Okay. I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.